Hey guys, it's been a while since I've recorded a video sitting in this chair, but it's winter time, it's about minus 30 degrees outside, so there is going to be no riding bikes for me outside for quite a while, at least till the spring. I know some of you will say, well, why don't you ride your bike in the winter? You can still train outside, and that's absolutely true. However, in my case, I'm over 50 years old, and a few years back I had a bad injury. I just had the last procedure on my hip 2 years ago, and I'm still kind of recovering from that. This past year is probably the best that I have felt on a bike, which is absolutely fantastic. So I feel that now is the time to try to push a little bit harder than I've been pushing and try to make some gains. And I can definitely A, lose some weight, and B, gain some wattage on the bike. Like I said, I've been feeling good. It's been great to be back out there, and I'm excited to ride and do the things that I love to do. But, you know, I want to just be that little bit better. So how do I go about doing that as a person that's 50 plus years old and has been off the bike for a little bit and recovering from an injury? So what I've decided to do is take on trainerroad. I've listened to their podcast a fair bit. I've listened to about their adaptive training and figured, why not? Let's give it a try. See how this works for me. So that's the plan moving forward. All right, guys, we are down where I have the bike set up. This is my training space. It's also where I live stream from and also where I do my racing when I'm doing that. Right now, I've got a little bit of a gap in between seasons, so I'm going to utilize that to do a training block. Thanks to my good friend Mitch on Two Wheels. I've got 30 days on trainerroad. I'm going to see if that's going to help progress me. Before starting any training block, of course, a program like this has you do an FTP. That's what today is. Not really looking forward to that. I'm not sure where my baseline is because I haven't done one in quite a while because I have been more focused this past year on just getting my injury stronger to a point where I can really start pushing things. So I guess we're gonna jump on, do this FTP test and see what it does. Yeah, 219 it's dropped from my last test. But that's okay, because that's the whole point of doing this. All right, so as you can tell, I was a little bit disappointed with the numbers that came out on the FTP test. I thought I was doing a little bit better than that. Although I can say that for the last couple months, I've been just kind of noodling on the bike, just sort of riding for fun. I haven't been putting a lot of efforts other than the little bit of racing that I've been doing. So I guess it shouldn't be that much of a surprise. So what I hope with trainerroad is it's going to give me that structure and push me that little bit harder so I can make some gains. So starting at a 219 FTP, which again, I don't think is the best thing in the world given what I expected for myself, but we will see how things progress and I will obviously bring you guys along on the journey. Like I said as well, I do have some weight to lose and we're going to focus on that for the next few months. I do have some racing and some ZRL coming up in the spring, so that will be exciting to do that, so I can bring you along with that as well as I'll just have the regular unboxings. But if you like the format of this vlog, please do let me know it down in the comments below. We will definitely keep you up to date with what I'm doing, and until next time, see you.